beachy ball. Oh, he's got snapped off. Dang. That boardwalk got toasted.
Made a mess out of it again.
It did. And this poor thing, I was here yesterday all day. It was shoving on that roof so hard. This was shoving against it and shoving against it. I sat right there for 4 hours. And when that came up and the water was above the top pole, people were still going out there with babies. What the? Man, a whole chunk of the boardwalk.
Yeah, the whole pier.
The whole pier's gone. You believe those people were out there with their little kids just yesterday at 4 o'clock?
See how the wind was throwing that table around.
Yeah. Even that got moved.
Yeah. The wood's been changed.
Yeah. Well, after Ian, the roof of that was in the pool, so none of the roofs went off this time. Oh man. Oh, no wonder. Gosh. Oh man. Look at that. Come here, little toy. It's just okay. Okay, now I see why it's not safe. Look at that, George. Or Howard. Look. This is all buckled.
We're in the middle.
Yeah, look. It's completely buckled. completely buckled.
Oh yeah, pier. I thought you were talking about
You know,
the pier.
yeah. Look at the pier. Lost some pieces.
Yeah, this is gonna be. You're gonna shut this place down.
Yeah. That's why you can stay at my house. No big deal. Can't fucking stay here. Jesus.
Well, stay low key. This is really unexpected.
Yeah, expect the unexpected. Bye bye, beach.